you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Are you on Facebook or social media anywhere they can follow you at?
No, I don't have none.
Not too much. Okay, I'm sure I know this build, man. You built it all yourself?
I didn't build the box. I installed everything and wired everything myself.
Yeah, y'all got it looking good, man. I know that had to be a heavy, you know, lifting all those subs.
Yeah, it gets through this wall.
Oh, you didn't even deal with that part of it.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you lifted them up and everything? Oh, man. How long did it take you to put them all in there?
So originally my box builder put them in. Then I popped one and ran extra. I had to take out two poles and then all the back ones to get to the...
Oh, man. It was rough right there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I sure appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.